No.
Nay, niya na ka mo pag marites. Nay, niya na ka mo pag marites. Diba, diba? Diba, diba?
Brad, thank you very much for visiting my parents.
Thank you so much for letting me meet them, meet your family. It means the world to me.
Hey! Hi guys! Welcome! Dito na kami ngayon sa Tacloban. Kasama ko si Mama and si Brad.
Tacloban, Philippines.
So, tara.
Ano nang sasakyan
Okay,
sa
let's go.
kabila?
Practice, practice, bless. Oh,
Ay,
yes.
God bless you.
Bless, bless, bless. So, ayun guys. Dito tayo ngayon sa Tacloban. Kasama natin si Mama at si Bradley. Mama.
Teka, dito muna.
Ma! Ma'am, tricycle, ma'am. Asan na ba? Hindi mo alam. She's lost.
Ayun.
Doon kami pupunta.
Hindi dito na. Kasi dito ang labas eh.
Kasi tinanong ko sa... Bye-bye, Shopper. Let's just wait for being here. She'll call... The car is parked there. Then she said this is the exit. So let's just wait here. Okay. So ayun guys. Dito tayo ngayon sa Tacloban. And for today's video, I'm here with Brad. And our mission for today is for Brad to meet my grandparents here in Samar.
After I bonk a couple more people in the head with your backpack.
Shout out dun sa kasabay namin sa flight. Hinila ni Brad yung bag ko and my bag is like really heavy. Boom! It fell on somebody's head. The girl was like, oh!
I feel so bad. I feel so bad still.
Whoop! Mukha tayo matrasan guys. What? Hotel.
Unless you want to get ran over.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
It's so hot right now. You don't feel hot with your hoodie?
I'm feeling okay right now.
Let's go. Una ka. My mom's boyfriend is here. Yay! Taijun, his name Taijun. Ayan oh. Ma, dyan si Brad ma. Dun, sige, doon na lang kami sa likod na kami. Mahaba, di sige okay na ba dyan? Mahaba kasi mahaba yung tuhod na ito eh.
Dito ka, Didi. Kaya Didi.
It's alright ma, it's alright ma. Okay na, dyan na kami Taijun.
Sige, dyan ka na lang.
Hindi na, balik ko rin ba?
Dito na kami sa likod kuya. Doon ka na Brad. Dito na lang, ayun na.
Hindi ba ka ulit niya, Didi? Really po na
Okay. Uy, bless. Say hi.
Hello.
Hi, Taijun. Ay, teka lang. Hi, Taijun. Bless.
Tapos dadaan ha?
Hindi. Kaya... Kayo na lang ang sunduin namin.
Ayan. Abot, anak?
Guti.
Ayan. Kasi kararating nyo pala eh. Yan.
Mamaya pagbabala na natin, palit tayo ha. Mahaba ang tuhod niya makumpara sa inyo ma.
Kaya na.
Pwede kayo dito sa pangalawang likod, pwede na kayong dalawa eh.
Buong ligi.
Let's just buy stuff in the mall. Some food. And then we go there. And then switch seats. Mahaba kasi guys yung biyahe. Mahirapan tayo pag ito. Tinanong po niya oh. Na-experience na namin ito sa mga tours namin sa Siargao.
Ganito rin?
hirap kami sa likod ma. Nagreklamo to. niya, I'm okay. Pero nasaktan. I love you.
That's a lot of words for I love you.
Yes. How's the flight, Brad?
The flight. As we were flying, starting our descent, randomly dropping like about 50 feet.
It's nice. I like that.
I was like, oh,
The
okay.
turbulence ma because of the clouds.
Yeah.
So dug gumanon.
How many 1 hour?
About an hour.
An hour and a half or so. The
It's
start.
so hot in Manila.
It's hotter here. Hotter here.
We were leaving the hotel this morning, talking to a taxi driver, and he was saying, "It's hot here, yes. Cold in the U.S." I'm like, "No, it's hotter in the U.S. right now."
Ay, Taijun, talk to Brad. May kinikwento siya sa'yo, Taijun. Taijun. Pero siya kinikwento sa'yo, kausapin mo.
Also the driver.
Oh, Brad, what can you say to Tatay Jude? Look at his hat. It's Melbourne. So, English, Melbourne. Di ba Melbourne eh? Australia.
Australia.
Oh. Ask him about Australia.
Australia?
Yeah.
Pagdating nga namin dito sa Tacloban, dumiretso agad kami sa mall para meron kaming bit-bit na pagkain pagdating namin doon kila Lola. Bago pumunta sa Pilipinas talaga si Brad, ito talaga yung gusto niya, ang mapuntahan ang lolo't lola ko. Kasi nung umuwi ako ng Pilipinas noong 2025, hindi ko na to blinag, pero umuwi ako sa probinsya. Tapos doon, nakikita ni Brad yung lolo't lola ko, nakakatsikahan niya kahit konti. Kaya naman sabi niya, gusto ko talagang ma-meet yung buong family mo, lalo na yung mga relatives mo, dyan sa province.
Di mo na ako kilala?
Di na.
Di na ako marunong mag-Tagalog. You speak English?
Oh, I believe you.
Yeah. How are you today?
Yes.
Yes. I love you. I love you. Peace.
Agi.
Pero sa hindi inaasahang pagkakataon, kasama na ng Panginoon si Nay Isid. Hindi na siya naabutan ni Brad.
So ngayon guys, andito tayo sa biyahe. Pupunta na tayo ng Samar. Ito si Brad. Ito si Mama. At si Taijun. Ito yung ating food mamaya. So in fairness, huli ako pupunta dito 2025. Kinasira pa yung pagsada pero ngayon at least okay na in fairness. Buti naman. Hindi nang lubak-lubak ng bongga. Last year, yung makalubak na lubak to eh.
O dati.
So ngayon, papunta talaga tayo sa lola ko. Then, kanina mama, si Bradley, he talked to his grandma. He said to his grandma, "I'm here out in the Philippines. It's nice. My boyfriend is now my fiancé." His grandma said, "Congratulations." And said, "Take care there, huh?" Said, "No, it's been nice here." And then sabi ng grandmother niya, "Oh, so are you moving out there?" No. No, but it's nice here. Supportive pa yung kanyang lola. Yung kumbaga, he talked to his grandma earlier because today we will meet my grandma.
How old is
How old is your grandma?
80, get right to be 80, I think.
Almost 80. 70 plus. Ang ganda ng mga taniman dito pag ganyan mamalawak ko.
Isa talaga sa karakteristik na nagustuhan ko kay Brad is yung pagiging family man niya. Kahit na American siya at hindi sa kanila yung usong tight family bonding, nandoon kay Brad yung pagiging maalalahanin at empathic sa kanyang family. Hindi man siya madalas ganun ka-vocal sa nararamdaman niya, may kita mo naman talaga yung kanyang non-verbals. Andun siya, ipaparamdam niya sa'yo na hindi ka mag-iisa.
So, ayan guys, we're finally here. Here's Brad.
Thank you
And my
for
tita.
visiting us.
And nanay.
I'm excited.
Oh, hi to nanay na. Repeat again, repeat. Bless to nanay again. One more. Yay. Magpapakasal na kami.
Oh, yeah?
Next year, tita.
Really? Oh. Oh, God. At last. Thank you, Lord. Congratulations.
Salamat po.
Oh, really?
Yes, tita.
Is this true? You're not Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Ito yung tita, oh. Yung proposal niya.
Oh my, this is it. Oh.
Hi, tatay.
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 I got you.
Tatay. Nice to meet you. Tatay nga akong kuyab. Bradley, pangalan, tatay. Tatay.
He's shy.
Me too, it's okay.
You know why? Because our English is just like this, not like that.
My Tagalog, anything else? None.
It's okay.
Babasin.
Kuya. Oh, Kuya, remove your shoes. No need to remove.
Ha? Saan? Ang na?
Yes, sure.
Kami matulog?
Oo.
Sa Globan.
Kung mabalita mo yan, nataklugan.
Salamat po.
Just happy to be here.
Titay, mauli na kami.
Punta talaga siya dito sa Pilipinas dahil gusto niya kayo makita. Kasi nag-video call tayo last year, di ba? So sabi niya, I want to go to see your grandparents. To your grandma and your grandpa. Wala na siyang grandpa, but you still have grandma.
Yes.
Po, my aunt said you look younger in person.
I look younger in person.
24 pa lang. Anyos. She doesn't believe that you're 24 years old.
Bata pa yan.
This is my cousin.
Your cousin.
Bata
Ako, tita.
mas ano siya sa Facebook.
Mas
Medyo
matured.
matured siya sa Facebook. Kasi bata siya sa sa person,
You look younger in person, mature in Facebook.
That's okay. I did that for work. Otherwise, they will think I am a high school student.
Kailangan niya magmukha pa ng mga matanda sa mga social media.
Kasi you're a teacher.
Yes. Yes.
Teacher. Music teacher tayo. He can play violin, he can play saxophone, he can play guitar, piano,
Yeah, my tatay as well. He play,
play.
Yeah, almost everything.
Wow.
Yeah, before when he was young.
So, di ba video
But now,
you're performing?
see?
If I can find one.
Yes.
One
Antigo
moment.
tatay niya magkuan, antigo niya mag-violin. Siring ko nga ikaw liwat, antigo ka liwat. May dayo ipapakita ka hindi kita. Dayawan na lang. Yes.
Yung English ko pagod na rin.
Sige na, kaunani ka mo dito.
Yun nga lang, ang pagkain niya lang talaga tita. Kasi puro pizza, pasta, burger.
Tulog ko.
May ikot lang kami sa ganun tita. Ubay na din ako.
Alam mo, pareho yung anak ni Shobe. Adami niyang allergies.
Allergies.
La allergy ni Kitin. Oo, okay.
Have I shown you this one? I can't remember.
You're singing?
Playing.
Okay.
Clarinet. Clarinet.
Clarinet type. Very good.
Thank you. Thank you.
Talaga.
You didn't show me.
Isang spirit only.
Yes. Yes. This was a MSU. See my phone? I'm gonna see if I can find the another piece that like.
Tingin?
Ayun.
Wala ka dito kayo sa lamesa.
Ano yung spirit only?
His song is very sad.
Tatay, di din na rin ko dalot sa kaya nga, bis ka diri kumaon tay. Kana. Just good lady din. Kana. Good lady din.
So ayan guys, kumakain na kami ngayon dito. Ayan sila mama. At si Bradley. Si Taijo at si Lolo. Pero si Bradley guys, hindi siya kumakain.
Maraming mga gutom kaya
Tahimik
abala
muna.
sa pagkain, tahimik.
Wow.
Ito oh!
Ayun na.
Funny ka, Itay.
Kaon na ikaw.
Naman, pizza yan man, oh.
Talking on the phone. He's like, "What did you eat today?"
Pizza.
Pizza.
Pizza, pizza,
Always.
pizza.
Pizza and pizza.
Buhay pa. Kasi kahit ano tita eh, yung parang ano yung pwede niyang kainin na, pwede kainin lahat eh.
Ang pizza.
Yung pizza. Hindi pa lahat ng pizza eh. Di ba yung mga hingpon, may mga scallop, hindi pwede yun.
Kaya pinili yung mga ganyan.
Kinahipon lang yun.
Wala.
Drawing lang.
Drawing lang.
Drawing lang. Drawing lang po.
Drawing lang.
May sa drawing option yung panda.
Hindi, pero di
Oo,
masyadong matangkis.
May malambito.
Sabi niya, palangga, Mama, English. Naubusan ako ng English.
Puro sa, later. Mama,
Kaya ako makatira ng pila.
Yes, eh.
hindi po matamis.
How's your experience visiting Philippines?
I love it.
Are you really? And you're planning to
Come back. Yes.
Yeah?
Yes. Absolutely.
Really? Is this your first time here?
Yes.
Oh my God! Thank you for loving our
Yes.
Philippines.
It's been wonderful. It's been so nice here.
Thank you.
When we went to Mexico last year,
Mm-hmm.
did not have a good time,
What?
but I was sick the whole time. And whereas here, I've been able to enjoy the people, somewhat enjoy the food. And Francis cooks
Thank you.
Francis is cooking. I've been able to enjoy
Oh,
that.
talaga.
Nakain lang siya Filipino food pag niluto ko. Pag
Kasi
hindi,
alam mo kung anong ayaw.
hindi ano yung pwede.
Pwede pala.
Pag hindi ko luto, siya kain.
O sa bas Filipino sa funny. I mean, happy, not funny. Sorry.
Tulad yan tita. Hindi siya pwede din sa pansit.
Kasi may garlic.
Hindi, mayroong hipon din.
Ayaw, may hipon.
Grabe din yung mga kain na.
Talaga? All seafoods, your allergies? Really?
The language
The
barrier.
language.
Yes.
And the longer, the more.
Bye-bye po.
Bye. The more I'm here, the less the barrier will be an issue. I will start learning Tagalog. At least Tagalog.
I mean, does it matter if my English is not really good as long as you can understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Go, go, go.
Papaborito niya tita, okay siya sa adobo, menudo, caldereta, chop suey, chicken curry, turon.
Talaga? Pero walang basta curry.
Walang curry.
Just garlic.
Chicken curry.
Chicken curry. Puro walang garlic. No
Garlic
lang.
powder. Yung garlic powder, pwede yun.
Pero
Pero yung garlic,
fresh. Talaga.
alam ng tiyan niya pag fresh or pag...
Ang lulugo?
Sinubukan ko magluto tita eh. May experiment last time. I added garlic after 30 minutes.
Talaga? Parang bloated siya.
Hindi, nagpupupo.
Talaga?
Mm.
Masisira talaga siya niya. Usad naman. Ang dami mo gustong kainin.
Gusto niya rin yung tosilog.
gusto
Tosilog.
niya. Ako, tummy friend. Anything and everything.
Wag kang hawak sa kanya ha, mawak ka ng ganyan.
Yes.
Dito ka Brad, change tayo.
What?
Oo, kasi ganun.
Matalsikan sa niya ma.
Maybe I wanted to try it.
Matalsikan sa niyan ma.
Talaga? Ganun ka sensitive siya. Thank you Lord. At ikaw alam mo lahat ng palangga. Yes. Me, I eat a lot.
Me
I
too,
eat
it's
too
okay.
much.
Huwag kayo kay Julie tagin mo na oh.
Guys, so much for letting.
Sorry?
Take 3.
Take 3.
Thank you guys so much for letting me come out here and meet you all in person. It means so much to me to meet Francis's family. Yes.
Go.
That's all.
And thank you also for visiting us, for loving our palangga. You know what is palangga?
You are
It means
welcome.
Palangga.
Palangga.
Love.
Love. We call him palangga. Yes.
Good
And
to
thank
know.
you so much for loving palangga, for visiting us. And thank you so much for enjoying not all food.
You appreciating our...
The presence only ng food. The
Yes.
presence only. Kaya nabinila ko na siya tita ng shawarma. Sabi ko, try mo na ng shawarma.
Na-appreciate naman
Konti
niya.
lang kinagat ni tita. Pasa niya agad sa akin.
Can I help clean up anything?
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
You
No.
can help clean the crabs.
Okay.
I will put it here.
No, don't find it. Just sit down
It's
there
alright.
and... Bakos-
Appreciate the height. Your height.
Kwentuhan na lang kayo nila nanay doon. Sige na.
Okay, let's talk to nanay.
Oh, mother dear, I'm so sorry. I thought you
Tita.
could hear us.
Tita, dito pa yan, tita. Pag nagpakasal kami, so, ang plano ni Brad, I am translating hello wedding. So, pupunta siya ng Amerika. Pagbalik niya ng Amerika, ayusin niya yung papeles para mahila ako sunod na taon. Tita, nagkamera ako sa likod.
Ay, sorry. Okay yan?
Opo.
Sorry. Take two. Take two.
So,
Reset mo.
ayusin niya tita yung papeles para next year, mahila niya na ako. Ang magkakasal sa amin, muna, yung kumbaga courthouse, kumbaga yung sa West,
Oo.
ang magkakasal sa amin, tatay niya mismo.
Ah, doon.
Oo.
Oh, that's
Your
nice.
father will officiate the wedding.
Yes.
Nice. Okay yun.
At least,
ba?
super excited siya.
Talaga?
Tapos kanina, bago kayo pupunta dito, tinawagan niya din yung mga lola niya. Yung
Oo.
lola niya,
You still have grandma?
grandma.
Grandma.
Okay,
Tapos
grandma.
excited siya, sabi niya.
Oh.
Sabi niya pa kay Brado, oh, you're eating. Take care there. Sabi niya, I'm enjoying Philippines. It's nice. Sabi ng grandma niya, oh, so are you moving there?
Not yet, grandma.
Not yet.
Just wait. Maybe soon. No, just kidding.
I should have told her she's trying to kick me out.
It look like. Actually, I'm excited for Francis, for our palangga. He deserves to be happy, to have you. Yes, he's nice. He's
Yes.
kind.
Yes.
When he's sleeping.
There's no
Yes.
perfect. There's no perfect, but he almost for me.
Here, it's not perfect.
Nobody's perfect, but for me, he almost.
Yes. And for
Yes.
me too.
Ah. He loves your mom so much.
Yes.
That's one thing I like him.
Sabi ko nga dito sa kanya, Parang si Wang Ud. Si Wang Ud,
Yes, si
narinig
Wang
mo si Wang Ud?
No, di niya
Yung
kilala.
matanda din na nagtatato sa Mountain Province. 100 years old na yun, 100 plus na.
Oo.
Tapos kaya mahaba yung buhay niya, nangahawak siya ng kutob. Nangahawak siya ng kutob. Ng foreigner.
Hindi niya natakot.
Hindi, sabi niya, hawakan yung utog ng foreigner. Tapos sabi niya, ay malaki, ay maliit. May ipapahawak ko na nanay.
Can you please translate in English sa something?
Alam niya na yung dito natin. Sabi ko sa kanya, Brad, will you feel abused? If I ask my grandma to touch you.
You know, it's bit moody, you know. Nay, umpisan mo na si tatay, daklutin mo na.
Pag-isero si tatay kasi.
I said, Nay, you try tatay. You, dak.
But tatay will be jealous.
Try it now. Smile.
No.
Nay, niyan na ka mo pagmarites. Nay,
Ano lang
niyan na ka mo
smile?
pagmarites. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, 1, 2, 3, another smile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Smile again. Keep on smiling.
Ilaw naman paano.
Ha?
No.
No?
Don't near me ko no because I'm ugly.
Diba? You know what?
Diba? Right,
Diba?
right.
Right. Yes.
Diba,
She said
diba?
ugly.
Right?
Your English is ugly?
No.
Why would you do that to me? Why you said yes?
You told me to say yes. You're always right, so I just agree with you.
Even it's wrong songs, right? You know what you call that? That is love. That's love.
Yes, honey, you're right, honey.
I remember Nanay Isid when
Nanay Isid, last year pumunta ako dito. Sabi ko sa kanya, hello, Nanay. How are you? Good morning. He said, yes.
That's right.
That's right.
Ano pa? Oh, at least, di ba may English?
pagdating dito, she asked, who is that?
Whose son is that?
Hi, thank you very much that you visit our nanay and tatay.
Ano mo kamay niya?
Thank you.
Your hands. Show yours to Nanay. Hold hands. Hold hands.
I cannot close your hand pala. Alright, thank you. I cannot tell. Just open only.
Swerte yung kamay ni Nanay, no? Ayan, no? Nagdugtong. Swerte yan, Nay.
Anong klaseng swerte? Walang kamatayan?
Basta ka tayo. Next week, you will go back to US.
We'll go back to US na babalik na sa Amerika.
Ilang dalawa?
Siya lang.
Ang hirap, Magalit.
Hard.
Magalit hard to live here. Di ba very hard to live here?
Very hard.
Yes.
Yes. You go together.
Together, 1 month, 1 year not together. Separated.
I am hoping maybe we get lucky and the paperwork will be done before Christmas. I don't know. Who knows?
Oh,
Kawawa naman kasi parang napamahal na siya dito sa Napamahal na siya dito. Nagustuhan din naman niya dito sa Pilipinas.
You enjoyed Philippines so much.
Very much.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Very much.
Ito pa. Yakap pa, yakap, yakap. Tayo nyo. Bye-bye. Ay! Okay na. Okay. Oh, here. Wait. He's so tall, Brad. With your children. Okay. Bye-bye, tita. Recording. Mama?
Brad, thank you very much for visiting my parents.
Thank you so much for letting me meet them, meet your family. It means the world to me, being able to meet everybody that Francis finds important and loves, everybody that you find important and love. It means so much. Thank you.
Pagbalik dito ni Bradley, marunong na ako mag-English.
When you return, he learns English already.
I will have some Tagalog knowledge too.
He knows already how to speak Tagalog also.
So, we will teach Bradley with Tagalog and Waray. So, soon you will be Waray Upay.
Say that again.
Waray. Waray.
Uh-huh.
Waray.
What I?
Nan.
Huh?
Nan.
I'll be a nun.
Nothing.
Oh. Oh.
The people here are called Waray. There's ethnicity.
Oh.
Sabi ko nga kay Brad talaga, yung parang nag-iisa na lang yung magulang namin. Yung parang, just tayo dun, no? Pero alam mo yung, ikaw na lang, wala na si Papa talaga eh, alam mo yun? So, we don't have a father anymore. So, I really appreciate you coming here to the Philippines to meet my family, my mom especially, and also my grandparents and relatives, because you really show how much you really love and care for me.
Yes.
Like I kept saying before, like, I want my mom to witness me getting married. Gusto ko makita ng mama ko na Tagalog nila. Gusto ko makita ng mama ko na ikakasal ako. I want my mom to witness I'm marrying somebody, and so she can feel okay that this person that I'm choosing is someone she will have peace with that this person will settle down with my son or my daughter, so she'll be okay with it. She at least said it, and I really appreciate that from you. And I told her I don't have any other parent but my mom. So I want her to have that privilege.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you also. That
Ito ang tubig oh.
So right here. Oh, okay. I put it in the wrong spot. But where that card.
Let her try.
Be good.
Congratulations. Elevator.
Elevator.
There. Go in the elevator. So, tinuturuan natin dito guys si Mama paano gumamit ng card ng hotel at ng elevator. Okay, let's go. Not even down, just like next floor.
Oh, it may not last.
pataas.
Whatever.
Pataas tayo.
Whatever. I think it's like in Baguio. You can use it to any other floor.
Any floor? Okay.
Okay. Get in. Oh, Mama.
Card goes here. Push the floor.
Number. Anong floor ka pupunta?
Number tayo.
Yes.
We're on 4, so let's push. Put the card there again.
No, it's not working. So,
Alright, wow.
Grounds
Go to the
only.
ground, and then we'll just go back up.
Okay. Ano na, Perlita?
Diyos ko.
Wait lang.
balik.
Okay, okay. Pindot na ulitin nyo.
Good evening,
Good evening.
everybody.
Please, again, Mama. Number 4. Mama. You have to put key card po. Card.
Card, dulu. Card.
4.
Card.
Congratulations. Pasok tayo sa Grand Finals.
Oh, thank you. Nandito na kami.
Ano na, Ma? Ha?
Saan dito, Mabel?
On the envelope.
Ang envelope sa lagayan niya. Parang mali ba isang gabi ka lang dito, Ma? Kung kala mo dito ka natitira.
Dito pala yun.
Congratulations. Ba't ka pumapasok dun sa ibang kwarto ng lalaki? Ito porkit inakbayan ka lang ng lalaki. Gusto mo nang sumama. Ibang kwarto yan. Pag inakbayan ka ng lalaki, huwag ka sasama agad-agad. Ito naman.
Do you recall when we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice? And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones
Another tricycle
left
ride, Brad.
behind.
Umiiyak. Umiiyak si Mama dahil sasama daw siya sa snow.
Hindi,
Ay, hindi.
nalulungkot ako para kay Palangga. Kasi...
Bakit?
maghiwalay sila.
Saglit lang naman.
Magsamantala. Siyempre, di mo rin alam kung ilang buwan. Di ba?
Brad, what you did? What you did to my mom?
I don't know. What did I do?
Talk to her.
I love you, Mom.
I love you too much. I miss you. I miss you.
You too.
Hindi ako makasama sa Manila.
She's so sad kasi she's not coming to Manila as well.
Hindi kita may hatid sa airport.
That she's not gonna bring you to the airport.
Sana hindi ka madala dito sa Pilipinas.
I hope you'll not feel like enough of the Philippines.
Thank you, thank you. You appreciated our
Country,
yes,
culture, our life.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Thanks, interpreter.
Salamat anak, salamat.
Picture mo raw si Taijun. Si Taijun hindi iyak. Okay, Taijun iyak ka naman.
Matangkad na si June, pero matangkad pa rin si Bradley.
Bradley will call his mom. And he wants you to talk to his mom. Ay, sorry.
Just tell her happy birthday. It's her
It's birthday.
birthday. So that's all I'm asking. Just
Happy birthday, more birthdays to come.
yes. Your son is great.
Yeah.
Sis birthday na.
Yes, yes. And happy birthday. We love your son here. I hope you see you soon, something like that.
I'm so proud that I have Bradley now in the Philippines.
All right, you ready? Let's see if she answers.
Gabi ngayon doon ano?
Yeah, it's 8 p.m. 9 p.m.
10 p.m.
Oh, is it? It's 10 p.m. now.
Hi. Hey, I got somebody here who wants to say hi.
Introduce yourself.
Hello.
Laura.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. I'm so proud that I have Bradley here in the Philippines.
I'm the mother of Francis.
I'm a mother of Francis.
It's nice to meet you.
Thank you. I love your son. I love your son.
I love your son.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you soon.
As well.
As well.
So, if you can hear us, we're giving her the script. She's feeling nervous to talk to you. Happy birthday.
Goodness, but
So with the grandparents too?
we visited yesterday. Lola
And Lolo.
and Lalo and
The aunts.
some of the aunts and an uncle. I visited a lot of the family yesterday. Got to at least meet them. Told them that in the future, when we come back, I'll be spending more time with them.
Yeah.
So it was nice. I really enjoyed going out there. Long drive from the airport, like 2.5 hours, but
Really not too bad.
no. But we're gonna spend the day in this town that we're in right now, and then we'll head back. Francis and I will head back to Manila at like 8 p.m. So, and then we'll probably land in Manila around 11 p.m. or 9 p.m. I don't know time.
Just 9, yeah.
How many flights have you taken while you've been in the Philippines? It's been
10. This will be 10. Yes. Yes.
He's a jet setter now.
I told Francis I'm not going to be able to keep up with his lifestyle. So, but yes, I just wanted to have you talk to Mom for a moment.
Happy birthday again.
Thank you so much.
All right. I love you. I'll talk to you later.
All right, bye everybody.
Bye.
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 Nanay niya. Birthday ngayon.
50.
7?
57.
What year is
5?
it? 56.
56.
I don't know why I looked at my wrist.
56. I'm older
65.
10 years.
Yeah.
9 years. 65
9 years.
Yes.
But last night, Mama was 69. So, Mama sleep here tonight, 69.
I'll make more because beds at the other hotel.
Did you enjoy your hotel last night?
Oo naman.
Kamusta ang honeymoon?
I'm so proud. I'm not parang hindi ko akalain anak na sa tinagal-tagal ng panahon.
Oh.
Marami akong experience na nakuha sa iyo.
Ano yun?
I'm so proud na narating ko yung Baguio, yung ibang bansa. Nakatulog ako ng mga ganitong lugar.
At nagising ka. Yun ang halaga.
Yes. Kaya, naalala ko noong pinagbubuntis pa lang kita hanggang sa ngayon.
Bakit yung pinagbubuntis nung hindi ginawa?
Hindi na yung ginawa, yung pagbuntis na lang.
She said, I remember when I was pregnant of you, why not when you're making me? Why?
Sabi ni Papa mo,
Oh.
manganganak ako ng September 29.
Oh.
Sabi ni Papa mo, kung hindi pa sumasakit ang tiyan mo, huwag ka muna magpasisarya. Sa 4 na lang kung hindi kasi fiesta sa Balambad San Francisco de Assisi. Nung pagdating ng
Alam ko yung story na yan.
Nung pagdating ng 4, nag-arte-arte ako.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, action!
Para
Manang, mga anak na po ba kayo? Kamusta ang tiyan? Action! Siyempre, para namitin mo.
kaya pagdating sa ospital,
Okay.
masakit.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, masakit ang tiyan. Action!
masakit ang tiyan ko. Sabi
Nang!
ng doktora, ay, manganganak ka na ngayon na.
Paano sabi mo, mga
Aray, ang sakit ng tiyan ko, doktora.
dyspepsia po yan.
Sabi nito, sige, sisarya na kita ninyo. Mamayang hapon, mga ganap ka na. Ito na. Pero hindi ko sukat akalain na hindi ka naman ganyan kalaki. Lumaki ka ng ganyan.
Ikaw kasi sabi mo lagi, nangangayayat ka na, kain ka pa. Nangangayayat ka. Sabi ko, ako pressure naman ako.
Pero when Francis is 4 years old, I was 4 years old, sis, a little boy.
Bradley as well, when he's a baby.
4 years
small.
old.
And so sad, he cannot speak. He only cries.
Sis.
That's Francis now.
He's so sad. He cannot even walk. He only do this.
Eat, cry.
He's like, "Ah! Ah!"
Alam ko, pagdating niya sa Amerika, maraming tanong ang mga kaibigan niya, mga
His
magulang
friend?
niya. Yes.
When you come back to the US,
Mhm.
she said like, I know when you come back to the US, your family and friends will have a lot of questions.
Mhm.
They ask about Philippines, what is
They'll ask about
your
Philippines.
experience.
Where did we go? What did we see? Who did I meet?
Yes.
Mate,
Who did I meet? So it'll be a lot of questions those first couple of days, and then
while you recover.
I have 1 week and then back to work.
1 week na lang. Wala siya masyadong pahinga.
No rest. This is the rest.
Hindi mo matatawag ito na rest.
It's
Kasi
still rest because it's not working.
Ay,
And I'll be doing a lot of work that week before.
Yes.
Yes.
Pagod na nga. Oh. I'm from work. So. How is the experience with the elevator?
I know already. I know people.
Next time I can leave you now in Okada.
I don't know. Kada is
Same.
See?
Bradley.
If I can handle it right off the airplane, I know you can.
Your tita. Sabi niya.
Dani?
Yes. She said na she's very happy. I'm so proud, Francis and Bradley. My English is...
She practiced her English with you.
Sabi ko,
She was very good.
Nakapalit ka mo yung Tagalog English.
Wala, dahil waray lang Bisaya.
sabi ko, don't worry, maybe someday we can go to America. Uy, America is not there. It's very far. It's not only Thailand. It's not only Hong Kong.
Hours from dawn as I'm driving at night, waiting to get somewhere. What can go wrong when we say it outright? I really wish you were here.
So this is Brad trying to catch the crab. There's a crab and there's a cobra. It's the cobra sting. So andito tayo ngayon guys sa MacArthur Park dito sa Palo Leyte. And this is General McDonald's trying to get the crab fillet. The crab now is looking at you, Brad. Careful you might slide.
Don't talk like we should. Won't you tell me something good? Weekend is gone and we're lying in bed, waiting.
Oh, it's run away. At para sa aming huling araw dito sa Palo Leyte, hindi na ako nag-vlog. In-enjoy na lang namin yung time together with Mama and Taijun. At pinagstay na lang din namin ng another night sila Mama at Taijun dito sa MacArthur Park Hotel sa Leyte. Tapos, lumipad na kami pabalik ng Manila.
People seem to know just where they're headed, while you and I just feel like we're pretending.
Bradley's visit in the Philippines was a complete surprise. I never expected everything that happened. I thought it would be just another normal visit in the Philippines, but it turned out to be an incredible experience. We were able to travel to so many places. He met many of my family members and friends, and most importantly, we were able to clarify where our relationship is headed. I am still surprised, but more than anything, I am happy. And for now, we will have to say goodbye to each other. But soon, the only goodbyes we'll say will be when we leave for work, knowing we'll see each other again at the end of the day. Baby, I love you so much. I'm so grateful to be yours. And even though we will be in different time zones, our love will always find its way back to each other. Love you.
You know that I lie when I say that I'm fine, 'cause you know me like that. You know me better than anyone I know. And you know I need space, a little time for myself when I'm stressed and upset. You know me better than anyone I know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this is forever. All these years, every single tear, all the regrets and promises, all the cups, breakups, bumps in the road, we've been until we break. We keep crashing down, but baby we got up. Yeah, look at us now. After all these years, yours and mine, it's you and I. It's you and I. You won't say it out loud, but I can tell you're not fine, 'cause I know you like that. I know you better than anyone you know. Yeah, I know exactly how you bottle things up inside, but you don't have to be stubborn, so goddamn proud. I know you better than anyone you know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this is forever. All these years, every single tear, all the regrets and promises, all the cups, breakups, bumps in the road, we've been until we break. We keep crashing down, but baby we got up. Yeah, look at us now. After all these years, yours to mine, it's you and I. It's you and I. It's you and I.
Hi be! It's me, Francis Candier! Be, magta-travel kami ni Kate Toretto ngayong October, November sa Pakistan. 6 amazing days of fun, immersive cultural experiences mula sa Islamabad, Mingora, Malamjaba at Kalambali.
Welcome to Pakistan!
Sama-sama tayong magta-travel, kakain, mag-i-explore at mag-i-enjoy. Tour packages starts at $699 USD. Mayroon ng breakfast, shared accommodation for 6 days and 5 nights, airport to hotel transfer, at group chat access sa amin. Visa fees and airfare are not included. Maximum of 3 payment installments. Pwede sa solo, sa friends, sa lovers, pati sa it's complicated. Kaya ano, tara na! Sama na sa amin. Let's travel in Pakistan!